everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have some items I bought from Curly T's sale. I only remember one thing I bought, and that is only because Coda Bear kept on asking me if his marbles are in. So, see what I purchased, because I don't remember. Okay. Alright, let's see. Oh, that is that stencil she was trying to get rid of it. I was like, what is it? It's just like it's a stencil. That's kind of cool. It says, thank you, hello, to, from, happy, congrats, today, life, and love. Thanks, Curly. Thank you. Okay. Well, oh, yeah. Smash stuff. I like to smash book stuff. So let's check this out. Y'all know I do that smash book. Oh, man. My hand's feeling a little bit better. So we got places to go, things to see. Oh, it's a pocket. Oh, now that's cool because I like adding pockets. So I could do a month and put that stuff in that. Are they all like that? They're all like that. So that's cool. And let's see. Oh, stamps. That's right. I bought some Easter stamps. I don't have a lot of Easter stamps. I thought they were cute. And they're only $1. So I got an Easter basket, Happy Easter, a little lamb, some bunnies, Easter egg basket with some Easter eggs in, another basket, a chicken with a bunch of eggs, some little lambs, an Easter basket with a bunny, a chick with a barrel of eggs, a little bunny, Easter blessings, egg with feet coming out of, a little chicken and egg, another Easter egg, some tulips, bunny with a carrot, and a bowl. Them are cute. And it came with a pad, but she's actually not sure. I remember her saying she wasn't sure. And then, she had these bags, and I liked it. I wanted for $3 the balloons, but I really like this one right here. I'm hoping I can color that. It says happy birthday with the candles. Happy, happy, happiest birthday. And a little present. And it says happy birthday. Thank you. Get well soon. Love one another. And congratulations. I couldn't read it. And then it says I love you in a cloud. So them are cool. I'll put them back in the bag though. See, I like that. That's so cool. Even the way it's designed. I do make birthday cards for family members and stuff, so I'm changing it up to happy birthday list. So like that. And then I got some jewelry. I got little. I thought the girls' alley meant like them loops and hoops. I got that one. Oh, this one came off. That. So I thought Allie could wear them. And I thought Allie made. Oh, that's broke. Okay, that's okay. Them are pretty. And then. Oh, it's in a bag. Okay, it's in a bag. Thought Allie could wear them too. And then I thought she threw this in there. I didn't realize that. But that's alright. Thought Allie could wear that. Oh, and it comes with a necklace. Oh, that's a cool, cute little set. So I'll give them to Allie. Allie's at that age now. She likes dressing up with jewelry. So I thought Allie could wear that, like them. So pick that up for Allie Cat. And I might give those little pearls to Riley. Allie can wear little hoops now, where Riley only can wear studs, I guess they call them. Like that. And then, here's Coda's marbles. A whole bag of marbles for Coda Bear. And I got me a watch. And then some chain. I'm always using chain, so I wanted the watch head. That's cool. I don't remember. Oh yes, the girls. They had this whole box, and I thought the girls would like it. I got them for the girls. It's rings. Oh, that looks cool. Excuse me. I thought the girls would like these, so I picked them up for the girls. Ooh, I'm fashionable. Ooh, that one's pretty. Oh, see, that's a plastic one. There's no little plastic one. But these are cute, these little ones like that. And then a little band. And hey, that kind of looks like Scott's wedding band. A little, I think this is a toe ring. And then that ring. And love. I don't know. I remember the bead on there is weird. I don't know what the heck if that's a ring or not. And there's that one, a little. Okay. It's cute, but I don't know what it says. And then a little plastic one. A little heart. It's cute. Give that to Rue. And another little band. A bat. Another one of those. And then this little one. Some more little toe rings. Another little toe ring. Another one like that. A little say love. I think I showed that. Or there's two of them. I don't know. But yeah, a little box full of rings. I thought the girls. And Riley likes plays dress up too, so she'll like that. I have a butterfly somewhere like this one. I don't know where it is, but with the little band. You knew what happened to it. It's around somewhere. The box full of rings. And then I bought some books. I thought these were cute. I'm gonna give them to Riley. And special day. And they're so cute that I thought I'd give them the Rue. So that special day, favorite animals. I thought they were so cute. That didn't away for Rue. And oh, still like that. Yes, forgot what I bought. I picked up some tickets and some little elephant ephemera, cute. And yep, and some tickets that were different than the ones I had. I thought they were cool looking. And then Diamond collects postcard, and she had, I don't remember, I mean, look at a pack of postcard, and I didn't care. And I'll let Diamond go through the postcards, and they're only $1, so. Everything is grand in Wyoming. That's the first one. Lake Placid, Mirror Lake, Oklahoma City National Memorial. The Don Saloon something. That's cool. Some more sceneries. This is hold back something. So what is this? Abby DeFonte something. Palace. Why Diamond collects postcards, I don't know. So whenever I see a good deal on them, I grab her postcards. And if she don't want them, I will use them or just put a little bundle together and stick it in something. That's cool. Oh, so we got that pack. And I bought 2 packs of that. So let's see what's in that one. That Wyoming one's funny. Funny. Lake Tahoe. I like that they tell you in the back. Where's this? This looks familiar to me. Tower Country Car Collection. This sort of upgrade hotel and resort has a Manchester Village since the early 1800s. Okay, it's in Manchester. I haven't been to it, but I look familiar because I've probably seen it in some documentary. Like, this looks familiar to you. What is that? London. Yep. And how much? No, I don't know. Ooh, that one's cool. Palace. Looks German. Yorkshire. That's pretty close. Britain. See, Diamond's gonna eat these up right here. I can tell it already. Yep. Look at that. Is that Notre Dame? No. La Cathedral. Yep, all these. She's gonna, I can see it now. So she'll definitely be. Yeah. Oh. That's cool. Where's that? Westminster Abbey. Nope. La Baloo. And so them are the postcards. And that's it. Not bad prices. Check out Curly when she has another sale. I will try to find her channel and linked it. So last time I couldn't find it. So and she has sales every so often, and then she goes on other channels. Because I forgot I bought this, and then I went to pay Pima, and there's an invoice from Curly, and I'm like, oh my god, oh! But Curly held off because she was having another sale, and I missed the next. I missed the second sale, and it was like probably a week's difference or 4, something like that. Totally forgot about it, and I felt bad because I was so late paying. Because I got and I didn't open my emails. That's how busy it's been around here and hectic. And then, but I paid her as soon as, boom. I'm like, oh my god, Curly. Forgot about Curly. Because she was holding off to do this to tell us if you bought something from the second sale. And I totally forgot. I happened to be gone that day. And then the invoice sent out, and I was like, oh. So I apologize, Curly, for that. But it's here, so you know I paid for it. Just on a reminder. Sometimes you forget, you know? So, it's not that you don't have the money, you just forget. Especially when you don't get it like within 24 hours. Yeah, it was like a week and a half later. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I will link Curly's channel in the description box below. Quote will be so happy he's got his marbles. I can't wait to show him. I like that. There's a shooter in here. I think there was more than one. Yeah! So we both can play. Boom! Look at 2 shooters. I know which one he's going to pick. He's going to pick the blue one. I used to play marble. I had bags of marbles when I was a kid. I was thinking, I don't even think they like to do that at school anymore, do they? Yeah, so if you know that, they let you take marbles to school and play, let me know in the comments below, because I don't think they let my grandkids do that. I remember going to school with my bag of marbles and at recess going, ting, ting, ting. Yep. So, I'll talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. And everybody, be nice to each other out there. Bye.